Trademark registration services versus boutique firms. Which one is better for fast market entry in Europe and North America? Most businesses get this wrong. They think filing a trademark is a one-size-fits-all process. The surprising truth is that entering Europe or North America quickly requires strategic planning, regional expertise, and risk mitigation. Trademark registration services focus on filing applications efficiently and securing trademarks across multiple jurisdictions. They often use streamlined processes and digital tools to handle high volumes of applications quickly. For example, a tech startup launching in both the US and you can rely on a registration service to file simultaneous applications, monitor deadlines, and handle procedural requirements efficiently. Boutique firms, in contrast, provide deeper strategic advice alongside filing. They assess potential conflicts, advise on portfolio management, and create enforcement strategies to protect your brand. For instance, before entering a crowded market like California or Germany, a boutique firm can perform detailed clearance searches, recommend modifications to avoid infringement, and plan for long-term protection of the brand across multiple product lines. The key difference is speed versus strategic protection. Registration services excel at fast, cost-effective filings, while boutique firms offer legal insight, market-specific advice, and enforcement capabilities. Most successful companies combine both. They use registration services to accelerate filing while relying on boutique counsel to ensure their brand is defensible and strategically positioned. The takeaway is simple: rushing into new markets without strategy can lead to costly disputes or trademark rejections. The surprising truth is that businesses integrating both approaches secure faster market entry while minimizing legal risks and ensuring robust brand protection. For any company aiming to expand quickly in Europe or North America, leveraging both trademark registration services and boutique firms ensures speed, compliance, and long-term brand security. It's the approach that turns fast entry into sustainable market success.